Regiment will fire a Feu De Joie with blank cartridge. Load!
Thank you again, and thank you, Mayor Ann. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this morning's presentation by the Adelaide Regiment. It was a really special touch. One of the attractions inside is actually a replica of another uniform worn by the Nairne Volunteer Rifles, which was also established around the same time as the Adelaide Regiment in 1862. Very different uniform. I think you'll be impressed. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please now join us in the museum and share the refreshments provided by the Uniting Church ladies and the Nairne Lions in the... Well, I think anything I've got to say now is an absolute anticlimax. There's more. Wait, there's more.
Ready! Set! Ready! Set! Shoulder!